Welcome back to Ocean Point. Let's go quickly over a few updates done so far. All the external openings in Block C have already been completed. For Block B, we are doing inspection for the facade with the design team. The finishing trades are in progress and the first fixed items are underway. The kitchen appliances have started in Block B. As for external services such as electrical work, sewer and stormwater reclamation, these have progressed well. Other activities such as construction of manhole, laying of sleeve and excavation work have started, as you can see now. The pool is currently under testing phase, after which we will move on to the tiling works. The progress work are moving quite well. Catch you in our next progress video.